Hello students. Today we are going to learn about Maths of Class 2. I'm Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. In last video, we are knowing about the numbers in hundreds. So today we are going to start exercise 4A. 4 means it is a fourth lesson and first A. So the first question is about form numbers for each of the following. Yes, last video I will already explain you what is the bars. This yellow bars is about the hundreds, this orange bars is about the tens, and the single bars is about the ones. So now you can see here. It is also called a building numbers. So now here how many hundreds you can see? 1 and 2. So you can see here one fill in the blanks given here and hundreds. So 1 and 2, so it is 200s. Understood? Now here how many tens is? 2 tens. So we will write here 2 tens. And 4 ones are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 ones. Now you see this number 200. 2 tens it means 20 and 4. So 224. So how can you write here? 224. Ones means O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds. Understood? Now we are going on next question. Now you can see here how many hundreds are given. Count it properly. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is 600s. Now see this tens 1, 2 and 3. So how many tens? 3 tens. And ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ones. So which number we will get? 600, 3 tens and 6 ones. So it is 636. So as it is you have to write here 636. Understood children? Now we are going on next question. See, hundreds are given in the line. So you can count it easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 600s you can write easily. Then tenses are given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But you see here there is no ones is given. So what we use for the ones? We will use 0 for the ones because no ones is given. So which number we will get? 600, 5 tens, 0 ones. So it is 650. So write it here 650. Now the last one. You can see here again there are many hundreds are given. So you can count it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And here ninth one. So it is 900s. Now see tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Tens is also 9. But there is no ones is given. So again we will use a 0 for the ones. So the number is 990. 990. So again you will write here 990. Clear everyone? Okay. Now we are going to start a second question. The second question is about the numbers only. You have to complete this number. You have to complete this table in order. Say the numbers aloud as you write them. You have to loudly say these numbers when you write this number. Now, see which number is this? 209. It means 209. In 100, how many zeros? How many numbers? 2. So 209. Then after 9, which number is coming? 10. So 210. Then which number is coming? 211. Then 212. Then next is 213. Next is 214, 215 and 216. This way you have to complete the whole table. Understood? Now this one is your homework. So you can understand how to write. Now next one I will solve because it is a long number, big number. So can you tell me which number is this? 796. 100 tens and ones. So 700. If you don't understood, so you can write here the places also. So you can easily understand 700, 9 tens means 90 and 6 ones. After 796, 797, 798, 799. After 79, how it is 800? So in last video I already explained you that after 9 it is 10. So we can not write 1, we can write 0 here. After 9 we will use 0. After this 9 we will use 0. But after 7 it is 8. So after 99 there is a new number will be start. So 800. After 800 it is 801, 802 and 803. Understood, children? Okay. So if you understand, then this one is also your homework. You have to complete this first and second in your homework. Clear? We already completed. Can you see this? Yes. So now we are going to start the next question. It is a fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks is about the number names already given. You have to write the numbers. First number is already given. You have to trace this number. 471. So here 471 is already given. You have to only trace this number. Whatever number is right here, you have to same write in the numbers. 7. So you have to write 7. 100 means it is 100. 39. So 739. Then same way, second, third one also. 234. So 234. Same way D1 also. 556. So 556. It is very easy to write you because we already completed the numbers. 819. Sometimes you are making a mistake. 19. So 19 means you will write 90. But 19 means 1919. So 819. Then 908. Here also you make a mistake. 98 you directly write. 908 means 908. 340. So 340. 340. And the last one 611. So 611, this way you have to write the. Yes, now we are going to start a fifth question. Fill in the place value of the following numbers. First one is already done for you. See, which number is this? 645. So you have to write only the place value of this number. So it is last number is called a ones, second number is called a tens, and third number is called a hundreds. So ones mean no partner with ones, so it is alone. Then 4 having one partner, so we will put 1 0. And 6 also having two partners, so we will put a 2 zeros. So 5, 40 and 600. So 645. Same way you will write here also. 7 as it is. Now with 8 it is one number. So we will write 8, 0, 80. And 2 having two friends. So we will write 2, 0, 0. It means 200. Okay. Now here also same way. Last number is alone. Now 0. So you can write 1 0 or 2 0. It is okay. No problem with these zeros. And the third number is 700. So 700. Understood? Yes. Now see. D and E is your homework. So you have to write by your own. Okay. This is your homework. 590 and 899. Okay. Thank you. I hope everyone will understand.